Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever part you're watching this video. Guys, I'm out here today to support this channel, to support Gabriel. So do all to subscribe, do all to like and click the notification button for more tech updates like this. Like, see, so many people keep asking these questions. Where do I start from? I want to learn coding. I don't have money. I want to learn coding. I have computer, I have desktop, I don't know what to do. Alright, I'm going to be answering so many of those questions today. This is how you can start your coding journey. You start coding, start creating websites, start developing games free of charge. Free of charge. You just need discipline, a system, and a programming language. Those three things are what you need to start your coding journey. Right? Today I'm going to be giving you like the free resources you need. Now you need to choose a programming language. Yes, you need to choose a programming language to start with. I will advise you start with HTML because the website World Wide Web is basically built from HTML. HTML means hypertext markup language. You can use HTML to create websites, to do basic games and some other cool stuff. So you should start your coding journey with HTML. Alright, so this W3 is a website. It's an online based web platform where you can learn a lot about coding. This website W3, you can learn so many coding language, but don't forget I advise you to start with HTML. You can learn Python, you can learn HTML, you can learn SQL, you can learn JavaScript, CSS, C++, like so many coding language you can learn from this W3 schools. So you just go to your browser, you type W3 schools, and you search. It's going to come up. So that's how you go about. Another website you can get free resources to start your coding journey is FreeCodeCamp. FreeCodeCamp is a they're like a charity organization, yeah, but not charity. They enable you learn coding for free. Yes, you can even book online classes with some of their tutors. Yeah, FreeCodeCamp with this logo. Yeah, they also have a YouTube channel where they teach and do interviews about coding, so you can go check them out. You type FreeCodeCamp, as you can see on the screen, FreeCodeCamp. You're going to learn about so many stuff about coding. Another platform is Udemy. Udemy is an online learning platform. In most cases you have to pay money, but just learning the basics of coding, you can learn from Udemy for free. Yes, you just go to Udemy, you sign up, and you follow the process. You start learning how to code. From Udemy. So these are basically 3 free resources that you can learn from. I'll be doing a video on channels you follow to learn coding on Facebook, on TikTok, on YouTube. So the more you keep learning, the more you keep practicing, the more you keep becoming better. So do well to subscribe to this channel, follow, like Gabriel's videos, like his videos, comment, ask any question. He's always ready to reply. Thank you.